everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to make some pom-poms and we're going to make them into animals or creatures or monsters or whatever you like. So I've got a cardboard box, a cereal box is fine, just a piece of thin card, that's all you need. I've got a circular dish to draw around. This one's quite good because it's got a small bit and a big bit. Pen, scissors and obviously my bag of yarn. If you have a pom-pom maker, then you can use one of these. If you don't know how to use them, you need to put both pieces together. So it needs to be two pieces, and then you clip these little white clip bits over like that to join the two halves together. And then you just start wrapping. Well, actually, if you do it open, you can wrap your yarn like this round. I'll show you in a minute. One of us will do it with that. But first we're going to make our cardboard one. So if you don't have a pom-pom maker, then you can do it like this. So we're going to open up our card like this.
Okay.
We're going to draw around the plate.
Yes. Can I do this bit?
Yeah, go on.
No, I want to do it. No, can I try out? Then can I have
Yeah, you can have a go as well. We need two. But the important thing, you need to do two. That's it. And then draw around it again for a second one. That's it, well done. Well done. And then, you can't see because the card's breaking up. For the centre bit, I'm going to just position my plate like that and draw around the centre. It doesn't matter if it's a bit uneven.
It probably will be, but that's very hard to do.
Yeah, because you can't really reach.
And can't really see.
And can't really see, yeah, you're right.
It's very
But
hard.
if you've got a smaller thing...
Mummy, that looks just like a donut.
Yeah, that circle's actually a bit big, so... the bigger your circle is in the middle, the longer it's going to take you to fill it up with yarn, okay? So I might do a smaller one. Right, so then we need to cut out our circles. Do you want to cut them out?
Mummy, is it just a...
Yeah, the big one around the outside.
Okay.
And whilst you're doing that, do you want to, shall we show them how to use this one? So get some yarn. Can you tip the yarn out?
Mummy, definitely not just...
Not that one yet, put that one aside. So, you pick a little ball of yarn. This is perfect for using up leftover yarn because smaller balls are better. You want that purple, do you? As much as that, but we can start with that. So you need to hold your two pieces of the pom-pom maker together, and then you're just going to start winding. Yeah, it is. I'm doing it. Winding round like that.
I want to do this.
I won't start winding it.
Yeah.
I just got it started for you. That's it. Wind, wind, wind. Round that bit. That's it. How's that going? And you just need to keep winding until the circle bit's completely full, basically. So this semicircle bit in the gap, and then you need to do the same on the other side. Right, shall I do that? Do you want some help?
Could you finish off the last one whilst I get the balls? So we can buy.
I've cut out my circle, and then I'm just going to bend it slightly to get to the centre and cut out a circle in the centre.
Yeah.
There we go, like that. So you need two of these like this. Shall I do the other one? Yeah.
Are we going to like put them together like this?
Yes,
start wrapping?
exactly. So you hold them together and you get some yarn.
Can I have yellow?
Yeah.
Do is sometimes it's all yellow. So
Yeah.
wrapping it round.
Yeah.
Well, Mummy, where do we start?
Spread the balls.
Mummy, I want to go.
It doesn't matter where you start.
Mummy,
You need
why
to
do
put the
I
balls through the
only
hole
have
each time.
this? Why do I have this?
Because you wanted to use that one.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
What did I...
So another way to do it is to make
Mummy,
a
can you
cutting
wrap
card.
this round started on that?
Yeah.
And so do I wrap is it ball through?
Yeah.
And then start pulling everything else through.
Yeah, but it's easier if this was all in a ball, so kind of hold it in a ball.
Oh, that's what I've gone out.
It's alright, just push it in. So you just bundle it all through like that.
Oh, okay.
Round and round and round.
It's going to be so strange. That. Boy, this pink ones, we got to finish your yellow one and my pink one. That means right. I don't get how this is going to be a pom-pom, but we'll see. So,
And we're just going to keep on wrapping our yarn around and around and around until that hole gets much, much smaller, okay? So we've wrapped our yarn around so that it's nearly fully covered the hole, and now we're going to close it and clip those clips in, the little white clips. Just going to open them and put them in. And then we are going to cut. So you want to find the notch in the gap here and put your scissors into that gap. Don't know if these scissors are going to be sharp enough. And then you're going to just start cutting like this. All the way around, like this. Can you see?
yeah.
Can you see? So we cut. This might be a bit for the grown-up to do because it's quite hard to get through all that yarn that we've wrapped.
You're going through one of the holes.
Yeah. So we cut that, and then we cut all the way around the other side as well. And then we need one more piece of yarn, a small bit. Can you find a bit?
Yeah.
You've got a red bit.
Mummy,
Yeah.
between my fingers, cut there.
So I've cut all the way, no, we need longer than that. This bit is fine. So I've cut all the way around. Now you can see, starting to look like a pom-pom, isn't it? No, we need all of this because then you'll have a hanger for it. And what we're going to do is we're going to put this yarn into that gap, into that space there between the two pom-pom makers. And we're going to tie a knot, and we're going to make it really, really tight. The tighter you do the knot, the more likely your pom-pom is to stay together.
What does my pom-pom look?
Alright, so then we can take the pom-pom maker off. Do you want to do that?
Yeah.
Can you pull it out? Open it up. Like that. And take your pom-pom out. There you go.
This bit fell
That
out.
bit fell off, that's okay, a little bit will fill off. So you can give it a little haircut. Any of the longer ones that you don't want, you can cut off. And have a hanger, and then you can make it into an animal if you like. You can stick some eyes on it, or you can, no, don't cut that bit, that's your hanger. I meant these dangly bits, look, that you don't really need. Yeah? And the more you give it a haircut, the neater it will look, but you might want a shaggy look as well. So there's our pom-pom.
Mummy, if it stays like that, it could be a sheep.
It could be a sheep. You stick some eyes on it.
No, but I don't want it to be a sheep.
Okay, you can make it whatever you like it to be.
Well, Mummy, we can make it.
You can.
Mummy, if we put that bit on, that could be a tail for the cat.
It could be, yeah. So there we go. That's our pom-pom with the pom-pom maker. We're still doing our pom-pom with the card, but our hole's got a lot smaller. So we're just going to keep winding for a bit longer, and then I'll show you taking that one apart as well.
But not that one because that stuck to the yellow one. What about that one?
Oh yeah, that'd be nice.
This blue one. Now it's got two different ones. Maybe we can pretend that one's a red one.
Yeah, hold it up then so everyone can see.
Look. There's
Like this.
it's a cat.
It's a cat. We made a pom-pom cat. Yay! Right, so I've wrapped our cardboard one now. We've wrapped it, group effort. There's just a small hole left now, so I think that's big enough. We're going to start cutting. So this one's a bit harder. You need to try and find the gap between the two bits of cardboard. So I'm just going to cut a little bit first. Just get my scissors in there and then I'll be able to find the space. So you can see between my two bits of cardboard, and then I'm going to stick my scissors into that hole. And if you just keep your finger in that central hole, if you've got a bit of a bigger hole, just keep your hand in there so that the yarn doesn't all fall out. And you do it all the way around. Oh, got a bit of card there. These scissors are not the strongest. Keep going all the way around, and then we're going to do exactly the same as we did with the pom-pom maker one. So we're going to get a separate piece of yarn and we're going to wrap it between the two pieces of cardboard. So you can kind of pull it out the way, and then we're going
Mummy, we
to...
should have used some blue for Rory.
Oh, okay, sorry. He likes green too. And then I'm going to pull that super, super tight to tighten up the pom-pom. Do it in another knot. Just making sure it's really, really tight. And then we can pull the card off, or cut the card off if it's easier. And there's our pom-pom. That's super cool. Again, you can decorate it like this one, or you can just leave it as it is. And it's been super fun to make. So have a go and let me know. Share some pictures. Love to see what you're making too. Yarn pom-poms, great way to use up leftover yarn and a really fun craft for the kids.